Why is it so hard to understand native speakers when they talk fast? And what to do about it? So you've studied English, memorized vocabulary, and practiced grammar. But when a native speaker talks at full speed, it feels like a tornado of sounds. Why does this happen? Here's an unorthodox but functional explanation of why native English speakers sound like they're speaking an entirely different language, and how to deal with it. Native speakers don't speak in words, they speak in sound waves. When you read, words are separated by spaces. When you listen, native speakers blend everything together into one long sound wave. Your brain expects clear individual words, but what you get is something like, "What do you want to do?" instead of, "What do you want to do?" Solution, stop, expecting perfect word separation. Train your ears to recognize phrases and patterns instead of isolated words. Vowel sounds. Morph like shapeshifters. Native speakers don't always pronounce words the way they're written. Instead, they reduce and modify sounds in ways that textbooks never warn you about. For example, going to gonna, did you? Didja. Solution. Listen to real-life conversations, movies, podcasts, interviews, and repeat the messy, natural pronunciation, not just dictionary-perfect words. They cut, smash, and swallow. Words-fluent speakers naturally compress sentences, smashing words together or skipping sounds completely. Instead of clearly saying, "I don't know," you'll often hear, "Dunno, I don't know." Solution. Train with fast speech by listening to audio at a higher speed and trying to imitate it. The rhythm and music of English is its own language. English has a particular rhythm. Some words are stressed and others are reduced. This natural melody makes fast speech even harder to catch because your brain might be focusing on the wrong beats. Solution. Try shadowing, speaking along with audio, to internalize the rhythm of spoken English. Slang and idioms throw in extra confusion. Native speakers don't just speak fast. They use informal words and cultural references that might not be in your vocabulary. Hit the sack. In go to bed, break a leg. Good luck. Solution. Expose yourself to informal, everyday English, TV shows, YouTube, social media, and learn common idioms. Your brain is playing catch-up. Your brain needs extra time to process and translate. But native speakers keep talking. By the time you understand the first sentence, they're already 3 sentences ahead. Solution. Stop translating in your head. Think in English as much as possible to speed up comprehension. Conclusion. Train your ears, not just your brain understanding. Fast native speech isn't about knowing more words. It's about tuning your ears to the way English is really spoken. Forget robotic textbook English. Immerse yourself in the real thing, and soon, those tornado conversations will start making sense.